Son of a bitch. Just drop my fish finder in the water. I'm a freaking idiot. Idiot. Good Lord. Dumbass. Just want my flap fall jig. I'm gonna snap. Gotta snap. It's coming. You all know it's coming. Alright. Fucking thing. Really hoping just to use artificial today. But I did bring some squid and some herring. We get really desperate. 10-ounce West Coast Fishing Tackle swim bait. It's their herring 8 pattern. The glow is absolutely phenomenal. This is version 1. Version 2 is coming out relatively soon, I would imagine. Or checking out our Instagram, West Coast Fishing Tackle's Instagram. You're not going to want to miss that. We also got West Coast Fishing Tackle. Oh, there's a jigging series rod on this guy too, but this is their medium heavy, medium fast one. One step up from the light action. And this big boy here, you guys all know how much I love the PC Finalios. The 300, this is the 400. We have stepped up big time. We're just going to do our typical drifting. We're not really jigging the swim bait, just drifting. I'm sinking that swim bait all the way down to the bottom. Down there. All the way down to the bottom. So we're just going to kind of, not really troll, more so drift this. We're keeping it like 5 feet off the bottom too. So all those fish can see it. Get a good look at that glow. There we go, guys. Fish on. Oh, that feels like a decent one too. So we're looking for like 25 3/4-ish to keep. It's a big rockfish. He swallowed that too. Okay. Hoping. Oh, that's down there. Alright, we're keeping him. First rockfish of the year. Nice big copper. That is absolutely swallowed. Normally I try and keep something a little bit bigger than that, but all depends how you look at it too. The bigger ones are nice to catch. You get a lot of meat off of them, but wow, he was hungry. He absolutely annihilated this. Bigger fish, like bigger lingcod and bigger rockfish, as well as salmon and stuff. Wow. Oh, shizer. That's down there. They're the breeders. So they're the ones that are going to have the best chance at reproducing. I've always said anything longer than my bump board is going back in the water. Unless it's a halibut, obviously, because most of the time they're longer than 36 inches. Okay. Skunk's off. Wow. He took a nasty chunk out of my swim bait too. West Coast Fishing Tackle swim baits. Get it while you can. Okay. Oh, there's a fish. What do we got? It's leader. See color. First ling of the season. I'm gonna go out on the limb here and say that he's not capable. Perfect release. Perfect release. This time. How you like that one? Plug. What the hell? Oh, what the shit? What is happening here? What are you? Oh, I got you. Whatever you are, I got you. No, I don't. I don't got you. Good Lord. Let's try that again. He went after it like 3 or 4 times. It's a crazy fish. I think he's hitting it already. Did I get you this time? Or are you just hanging on? Feels like a ling, maybe a smaller one again. We might have to go out deeper for the bigger guys. Yeah, smaller ling again. You're aggressive. Okay. That's 2 significantly undersized lingcod, so we're going to try and go a little bit away from this area. Obviously there's juvenile ones. Got snagged. I don't have anything for you, man. I got 1 rockfish. Get out of here. There we go. We're free. I'm free. I don't have anything. Look at this guy. Bro. Like, I don't... I think... light action in the flat fall. Oh. Where are you? Still don't see you. That is an absolute hog of a vermilion. A hog. Oh, absolute hog. We're definitely keeping this guy. Quick dispatch. Just throw that back there. Whew. That's a gorgeous vermilion. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. This rod. Look at the color on that thing. Gorgeous, and they're delicious. Not to be confused with its close relative, the yellow eye. You know how much I like to catch those. Beautiful. I think there's a school of them down there. Big school. Watch this. Watch this once it hits 50 feet. The black rockfish absolutely love these flat fall jigs. Oh, it's so much fun. Pretty. Pretty fish. We're still in the school of them though. So we'll see if we can get a bit bigger one. They're everywhere. We drifted. We're getting a keeper. We'll get one. Right there. There's one. Does he know he's hooked? This feels better. If I had to guess, I'd say cabezon. Or a ling that doesn't know he's hooked yet. That's what we're talking about, guys. It's a keeper, 100%. Well, we got the job done anyways. Holy! Whoa! That was a good fight. That is what we were after. That is what we came here for. No, I've never really been known to be the most gracious landing fish. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of suck at landing fish sometimes, but God, look at the mouth on you. Anyways, guys, there's a proper West Coast lingcod. Look at the head on that thing. Beautiful. There we go. Look at that bag, guys. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I still got a couple hours left of driving to do to get these fish home to the hungry kiddos. Have some lunch with Mom before I leave. Fabulous day. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate all your support. If you haven't already, go down below, hit that like button, turn on your notifications, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Kayak Fishing. Oh, a lot more to come this year. So we're just getting warmed up. Appreciate you guys.